The Nikon Z8 Mark II is one of the most anticipated camera releases, set to build upon the success of the original Nikon Z8, which debuted in 2023. With an array of refinements, upgraded features, and crucial improvements addressing past issues, the Z8 Mark II aims to redefine mirrorless photography. Nikon is taking all the feedback from users of the original Z8 and using it to craft a truly revolutionary camera designed to meet the needs of both professional photographers and high-end enthusiasts. In this deep dive, we will explore how Nikon has improved the Z8 Mark II by addressing previous challenges, incorporating cutting-edge innovations, and positioning itself as a leader in the hybrid camera market. A reflection on the Nikon Z8. When the Nikon Z8 launched in 2023, it was heralded as a groundbreaking mirrorless camera that combined flagship-level performance with a more compact and lightweight design. Borrowing key features from the high-end Nikon Z9, the Z8 delivered exceptional image quality, autofocus performance, and video recording capabilities. However, despite its strengths, the Z8 was not without its issues. Several concerns arose, including problems with the lens mount, overheating during extended video recording, and durability concerns regarding the strap eyelets. Nikon's quick response, offering free repairs and addressing warranty claims even outside the coverage period, showcased their commitment to customer satisfaction. Addressing past challenges in the Z8 Mark II. Lens mount reinforcement. One of the most frustrating issues with the Nikon Z8 was its lens mount. Users reported problems with lenses not attaching securely, leading to concerns about stability and durability. Nikon has taken this feedback seriously, and the Z8 Mark II is expected to feature a redesigned lens mount constructed with advanced materials and improved assembly techniques. This reinforcement will enhance the mount's durability and provide greater confidence for professionals who rely on multiple lens changes during shoots. Enhanced strap eyelets for durability. The original Z8 faced criticism for weak strap eyelets, which in some cases detached under stress or heavy impact. This posed a significant issue for photographers using the camera in rugged environments. For the Z8 Mark II, Nikon has likely reinforced the strap eyelets with stronger materials and a more secure attachment mechanism, ensuring that the camera withstands the demands of daily professional use. Overheating solutions and improved heat management. Overheating was a notable concern, especially when recording in high-resolution video modes such as 8K. The compact body of the Z8 limited its ability to dissipate heat efficiently. Nikon is expected to introduce advanced thermal management solutions, including improved internal heat dissipation, upgraded cooling vents, and potentially an external cooling accessory. These enhancements will allow filmmakers and content creators to capture high-resolution footage for extended periods without interruptions due to overheating. Upgraded battery performance. Battery life is crucial for both photographers and videographers, and the original Z8's Yen EL15C battery, while adequate, struggled under heavy use. The Z8 Mark II is rumored to feature a newly designed high-capacity battery optimized for greater energy efficiency. Additionally, Nikon may introduce an optional battery grip with extended capacity, catering to professionals who require longer operational times without frequent recharging. Enhanced energy-saving modes could further optimize battery performance without compromising functionality. Faster and more intelligent autofocus. The autofocus system on the Z8 was widely praised for its deep learning subject tracking and accuracy. However, the Z8 Mark II is expected to push autofocus capabilities even further with faster and more precise AI-driven subject tracking that enhances focus accuracy in fast-moving environments. Improved low-light performance, allowing for better subject detection in challenging lighting conditions. Expanded customizable focus modes, enabling users to define tracking behaviors for different scenarios, whether for wildlife, sports, or studio photography. High-resolution sensor and image processing enhancements. While the Z8 already featured an impressive stack sensor, the Mark II is likely to introduce an improved high-resolution sensor with better dynamic range and low-light performance for superior image quality. Advanced noise reduction algorithms to maintain clarity in high ISO settings. Upgraded image processing with Nikon's latest X engine, enhancing speed and overall responsiveness. Display and viewfinder upgrades. One of the most requested features from Z8 users was a fully articulating rear LCD screen. The Z8 Mark II is expected to introduce this much-needed upgrade, offering greater flexibility for composing shots from difficult angles, whether for still photography, vlogging, or video production. Higher resolution electronic viewfinder. The Z8's electronic viewfinder was already impressive, but Nikon is likely to enhance it with a higher resolution panel for sharper details, improved brightness and color accuracy for a more immersive and true-to-life preview, faster refresh rates to eliminate lag, making it ideal for action and wildlife photography, connectivity and video capabilities, enhanced connectivity for professionals. Dual USB-C ports with improved data transfer speeds make workflows more efficient for professional photographers. Faster memory card support, possibly including CF Express Type B and UHS-2 SD card slots for rapid read/write speeds. Industry-leading video recording features. 8K at 120 FPS, allowing for ultra-high-resolution cinematic slow-motion footage. 4K at 240 FPS, providing filmmakers with stunning slow-motion capabilities without compromising image quality. Improved internal codecs and raw video options, enhancing post-production flexibility. Advanced color grading support, including Nikon's proprietary flat profiles for greater dynamic range control. Competitive pricing strategy. The original Z8 gained significant traction due to its competitive price point. Nikon is likely to continue this strategy with the Z8 Mark II, offering high-end features at an attractive price. While minor cost increases may be expected due to innovations, industry experts predict a launch price of around $3,999, keeping it accessible to both professionals and serious enthusiasts. Anticipated release date. Although Nikon has yet to officially confirm a release date, industry speculation suggests a 2026 launch window. This timeline would provide Nikon ample opportunity to refine the Z8 Mark II, addressing previous shortcomings while integrating meaningful advancements. Conclusion. With a host of improvements spanning autofocus, battery performance, heat management, display technology, and video recording capabilities, the Nikon Z8 Mark II is shaping up to be a formidable successor. By addressing past challenges and incorporating cutting-edge innovations, Nikon aims to set new industry standards, making the Z8 Mark II a must-have for professionals and advanced users alike. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or hybrid content creator, the Z8 Mark II promises to deliver the versatility and performance needed to stay ahead in an ever-evolving industry.